Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what I have clearly told you that there is a clear pattern has formed. Okay, the bigger pattern is this particular pattern which is around from 2012 to 2020. Okay, these are the 2 years, 8 months and a smaller pattern has formed. Okay, what is the similarities in that there is a clear U patterns is forming, and what we have seen that whenever it is going a high we have seen a good sharp fall. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, when there is a zone breakout happens, we have seen there is a sharp rise, which I've clearly told you that as soon as the price started hitting our level of 220.47, chances can be high we can see a further upside, because this particular pattern is forming in this particular range, and once started sustaining above 2142, which is the half this zone, so we have seen that there is a continuous upside. As we have seen that there is a continuous rise in the price of gold, because what we have seen, dollar index was continuously moving down, and the Fed also cut interest rate, what we have seen in the last week, that there is a continuous rise in the price of gold. Okay, now the price is trying to come and making a balance, where we have seen it has made a low of around 2620, where a profit booking has come. So chances can be high that if the price keep moving below this level, a further downfall we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. If you look at the dollar index, what we have seen, I have clearly told you that if the price started going above a level of 101.5, we can see there will be a rise towards 102. And if the price started going below a level of 100.5, we can see there will be a fall. Okay, now the dollar index started going upside. Okay, so we can see that gold price will come down. Okay, similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will come up. Now the price is moving above this level and touched a level of 102, and chances can be high it can go further upside, because there is a zone breakout we have seen, so we can see a further upside. As soon as the price started coming again towards 101.8, there can be a bounce back, but if started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see, and chance of going towards 101.5 we can see, and then it can go further low. Okay, coming back on the gold price, what we can see. Okay, so if the price keeps sustaining above this level, a probability of going towards a level of around 260.67 will be the 2667, and once started going above this level, we can see it can go towards 2684. Okay, and once the price sustaining above 26, and once the price started going above 2684, we can see there will be a further upside towards 2700, and once the price started going above this level, we can see a level of 2720, then to a level of 2750. You can trail your SL, okay, by $7 or to $10. Okay, and probability you can trail your SL by $7 to $10. Okay, and chances can be high that if the price keep moving off this level, we can see, so that if you trail your SL by $7, what you can capture a big movement towards an upside, so that you can be taking the upside movement. You can trail your SL by $7 so that you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Okay, so there is a higher chances we can see a further upside, but what we have seen, a profit booking has come. And if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a good fall. Chances can be high if the price started going below this level, we can see a level of $27, and once started falling below this level, we can see a level of $13. Okay, if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching $25.88 we can see, and once started falling below this level, a chances of going towards a level of $25.83 we can see. Okay, if the price started falling below that particular level, we can see it will fall towards a level of $25.49. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $25.33. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, a chances of going further down we can see towards a level of $25.14, and then to a level of $2,500. And if that didn't sustain, a further fall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.